Traditionally, psychiatrists have regarded mental illness as a phenomenon apart from and independent of the social context in which it occurred. The symptomatic manifestations of diseases of the body, for instance of diphtheria or syphilis, are indeed independent of the socio-political conditions of the country in which they occur. A diphtheritic membrane was the same and looked the same whether it occurred in a patient in Tsarist Russia or Victorian England. Since mental illness was considered to be basically like bodily illness, it was logical that no attention was paid to the social conditions in which the alleged disease occurred. This is not to say that the effects of social conditions on the causation of illness were not appreciated. On the contrary, this sort of relationship had been recognized since antiquity. It was known, for example, that poverty and malnutrition favored the development of tuberculosis, or sexual promiscuity the spread of syphilis. But it was held, and rightly so, that once these diseases made their appearance, their manifestations were the same whether the patient was rich or poor, nobleman or serf. The phenomenology of bodily illness is indeed independent of the socio-economic and political character of the society in which it occurs. But this is emphatically not true for the phenomenology of so-called mental illness, whose manifestations depend upon and vary with the educational, economic, religious, social, and political character of the individual and the society in which it occurs.